be passionate about it, or otherwise you won't go forward in, like, one step at a time. It's better than try to skip two, three steps. But like, as as you mentioned, a lot of things like that's why they call you the leader, because you're not just talking about business. Because I know you have the knowledge and the wisdom, and bless you and bless the girls for having you as their leader. And you also mentioned about, you sort of like mix everything up together, including being their mentor as well throughout the whole process. That's pretty good. I'm quite amazed that, and I'm also proud. I'm not related to all of you, but as a Samoan, I'm so proud that knowing that our Samoan women's, all of us are parents, and yeah, had the knowledge to do the things that never been done before. Because usually not racist, but usually only the white person can do that stuff. But now we do have that one. By looking at all of you guys, beautiful, smart, full of knowledge, wisdom. Hats off to you girls. Very proud. And thank you for letting me hang around here listening, because we don't know all the things. Even myself, I've been doing it for as long as I can remember, 7 to 8 years, and I'm always learning. I don't know everything. Some things we know, some things we don't. But it's good having people having a professional discussion about this and this. And one of the things is just like paying attention is really good than just cutting halfway through into someone explaining things. But thank you, Deborah, and thank you, girls.
Ilo lang ako oi, Ted.